Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will be demonstrating how to install these stickers on DOMINAR 400.
No one even cares.
We bought these stickers from Amazon, and the link will be in the description down below, and it costed us around 400 rupees. The first step is make sure that your rims are clean. If there are little bit of dust, then the sticker won't stick properly. We have already cleaned the rims to the fullest. And the second step is to cut down the stickers into 4 pieces. This is how the sticker will look after cutting.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down. All around this empty town, I'm searching for the lost and found. But you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air, like a blazing flare. Just stare, cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares too. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Now that was the process of how to install the stickers. This was the step 2, and the step 3 is to blow dry the sticker and use a clean cloth and press down the sticker to make sure that every bit of it is stuck onto the rim properly.
Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, I'm gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
20 minutes later.
Now this is how the bike looks after completing the sticker job on the rims.
Oh, you meant the world to me.
If you did enjoy this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you are new to the channel, and make sure to share the video with your friends.
sounds.